DHAI stock analysis and DHAI stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. First of all, DIH Holdings US stock. Although it had like a pretty decent performance of 14% up, this is still how my chart's looking like, right? Now, before I get into this further, it's still a bearish market, that's for sure. And only if I start seeing breaks yet above 24 cents is this thing actually going to start making sense. Now, I'm saying this because I've done 39,000 videos and I have seen what's making me money and what is not. In this instance, that's how DHAI is looking like. This is obviously by no means financial advice, but is that I'm just sticking to my edge that I've tested for 39,000 videos. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. So yeah, that's how DHAI is actually looking like. If I come out here, I had just so many other previous receipts that I've made on this, but other than that, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.